Want to make money by clipping on Whop app? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can earn it. Start by moving into your application Whop. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Once you have created, it will land you on this homepage. At the top, you can see tons of different options. You need to move in to earn. Once you have landed on this page, it will show you the content that you followed. Scroll all the way down and search for the content that you want to contribute. Once you have found the specific one, simply click on Start Earning. Wait for a while for it to load. Now over here, what you want to do is, you simply have to create gaming, anime, or any other edits using the Death Pixie. Once you've created any one of the clip, then what you want to do is, simply tap on it. You have to post a video in any of the social media platform, be it Instagram or TikTok. Once done, tap on Submit at the bottom right. This interface will appear on the screen. In this page, you have to enter the link that you have posted the content and also upload the original content media. Once done, tap on Submit. After that, they will analyze all of your content and views. If they are satisfied with it, then you'll receive the commission. Sometimes, the commission might also be up to 50%. So this is how you can make money with clipping on Whop app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.